Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious, fascinating, over concocious, emulsinating plantain swallow and oil-free okra. Fit farm, get right. So let's start with our soup first. Yeah, I have my Titus fish and I have my pomo and I have my panla. I'm just going to add this up and just little water, and I'm just going to cook this up. And here I also have my shredded bokoto. And boom, pour it inside our pot and just let it cook for like how many minutes? Just cook till you're okay. So I added a cube of seasoning cubes. As a fit farm person, you have to be so careful of sodium. So I'm just going to be using just one seasoning cube and little quantity of salt. So let's let this cook. I'm trying to make sure that my Titus doesn't break into the pot. So I'm just going to stir it gently. After a few minutes, I'm back to checking the pot, and as you can see, it's well cooked. So please let me just remove my fish because I don't want it to break inside this pot. So I'm just going to gently remove this, and then we are going to continue with our cooking. All removed, I'm adding some pepper, just some rodo and tatase. Shall I add everything? Well, let me add everything, Jerry. I could like pepper before. I love my meal so spicy, it makes me get filled up. So I've added my pepper, and then I'm just going to go ahead to add some washed crayfish that I got from my market. And after that, I'm going to be adding my locust beans. I'm also going to be adding what else? Nothing. After that, I'm just going to let it cook, and I'm here with my okra. I'm just going to be putting this in bits. I don't know why I like putting my okra in bits instead of just pouring it into the pot just like that. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to give it a stir, a very, very good stir. And boom, my fish is back into the pot just like that. I have to let it simmer and cook with the rest of the soup. So here I have my washed ugu, and I'm adding this up to my soup, and I just left it to cook for a while. And voila, our oil-free okra soup is ready. Oh shit, baddest. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and turn on your post notification to know whenever I make interesting meals such as this. Oh my god, this meal is so tasty. I wish you guys can just see this. So now let's get over to the second part of this video. So we are going to be making our plantain swallow, and this is the plantain I got. Hey, as we all know, plantain is good though. Tell me, like, how much do you think I got this plantain though? Well, you can let me know in the comment section. So I'm using just two pieces out of this my plantain. And well, do I have a choice? I have to remove the peel, of course, right? So I'm just removing the peel, and just remove the peel. Remove the peel, babies. Rinse it up, remove the peel, remove the peel. And you want to, cut them into tiny bits to help your blender, right? So that's what I'm doing right here. Part two of this, you need to add just a bit of the plantain into your blender and add just a little bit of water, and you're just going to try to blend that up. So because I added just a bit of water, my blender is not trying to take it well. So I just have to shake this thing up, just shake it up and just continue the hustle and make sure that I get what I want. So that is exactly what I'm doing. And I have to just repeat this process like a couple of times before I could get what I want. But eventually I did, right? So yeah, I'm adding my second batch of the plantain, and I'm just going to be going ahead with some other quantity of water because really the puree is just too thick. So I'm just going to blend that up to like get a very very smooth puree just like this. And next thing, you are going to get that baby up on the fire. You're going to put it on a low heat and you're just going to stir continuously. It's not strenuous, you don't need all your strength to do this. Just stir, and as you can see, it's beginning to tick up. Oh, yes. So just continue stirring that baby up till you get a very, very, very good consistency. So we are almost there. As you can see, it's getting cooked. You can actually add some more water if you think it's too thick, but I just decided I don't want to add more water because I know I'll be eating this immediately. But if you know you are not taking this immediately, you can add more water. You are even going to get more quantity, and when you leave it for a while, it's still going to, it's still going to come out well. So here we are, and this is what I got, and I'm just going to leave this in my nylon. I'm just going to fold it up to get a good shape. So as you can see, I got two wraps from this my plantain, and two wraps. These two wraps, oh my god, you don't know how happy I am. And that is it, guys. So I'm here serving myself with my okra, and trust me, this meal is so amazing, like so amazing. And that is going to be all for today, guys. If you give this a try, please let me know at the comment section, okay? Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next week. Bye.